Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Singh. Today I am going to present our project titled Gesture Control Robot Car using Arduino. This project is a team effort along with me. It has been developed by Shreya Misra, Sivangi Patra, Smarnika Misra, and Smurti Sneha Jena. We have completed this project under the guidance of Dr. Lakshmidhar Biswal sir. Now, coming to the brief introduction of the abstract part, this project is about designing a gesture control robot car that allow us to control the robot without touching it. We use an Arduino microcontroller, an MPU 6050 sensor, and Bluetooth for communication. The gesture made by the user are converted into movements of the robot in the real time. The system is simple to use, fast in response, and works reliably. Now, let us understand the motivation behind this project. The main motivation of this project is to control robots in a more natural way instead of using buttons or joysticks. Traditional wired and remote control system have many limitations. Gesture control reduces physical contact, make operation easier, and improve efficiency. This type of control is useful in areas like defense, healthcare, and industrial applications. Now, let us understand the problem statement. Most robots today's are controlled using wires or basic remote controllers. These methods limit movement and not too much friendly. There is a need for a wireless, low cost and easy control system that can move the robot according to the human gestures. Our project solves this problem by using gesture based control. Now, based on this problem, we defined the objectives of our project. The objective of our project are to correctly detect user gestures, maintain stable Bluetooth connection, control the robot movements in real time, and develop a low cost and flexible robotic system. Coming to the scope part, let us discuss the scope and application of this project. This gesture control robot can be used for robot navigation, helping people in assistive technologies, military and surveillance tasks, and also as a learning project for students to understand robotics and programming. Coming to the literature survey, to design our system we studied earlier project used IR sensor, flexed sensor, and image processing. These methods were complex and are not accurate. Using the MPU 6050 sensor with Arduino gives better accuracy, lower cost, and faster response, which is why we selected this approach. Well, coming to the next slide, now let us discuss and look at the overall system. Our system has two main parts. First part is transmitter unit, which captures gestures. The second one is receiver unit, which control the robot car. This setup allows smooth and real-time operation. Next, I will explain how the system works internally. Gestures are detected using the mobile phone. These gestures are processed by Arduino. The data is sent through Bluetooth. Arduino receives the data and controls the motor using a motor driver. Now, let us see the hardware component used in this project. The hardware includes Arduino Uno and Nano, Bluetooth module, L298N motor driver, DC motors, robot chassis, rechargeable battery, and connecting wires. Along with the hardware, software is also important. We used Arduino IDE to write and upload the code. Embedded C and C++ were used for programming. A Bluetooth controller app was used for gesture input, and the serial monitor was used for testing. Now let us understand how communication happens. The MPU 6050 sensor communicates with Arduino using the I2C protocol. Bluetooth HC05 is used for wireless communication. Serial communication is used for programming and debugging. Now coming to the slide 14. Now let us understand the working of the project. The user moves the mobile phone. The app converts this movement into commands. These commands are sent to Arduino through Bluetooth. Arduino processes the commands and moves the robot accordingly. Now I will explain how the project is implemented. Mobile sensors detect the tilt of the phone. The app reduces unwanted noise and sends clear commands. These commands are sent wirelessly. Arduino converts them into motors movement in a real time. Now let us look at how code works. The code starts with the setting motor and Bluetooth pins. It continuously checks for commands. Based on the received command, the robot moves in the required direction. Now I will briefly explain the command logic. Each command represents a movement. F means forward, B means backward, L means left, R means right, and S means stop. The motor driver follows these commands accurately. Now let us discuss how we tested the project. We tested the system for accuracy, speed, and response. We focused on a smooth control and minimum delay. Based on our testing, these were the result. The robot responded correctly to all gestures. There was very little delay. The system worked reliably for a long time. Now let us look at the cost of the project. The cost of the project is around 4,000 rupees. This makes the project affordable and suitable for student use. Safety was also considered in our project. All wires are properly insulated, the battery is handled carefully, motors are used within safe limits. Socio-economic impact. This project also has some social importance. It supports low cost robotics, helps in working safely in dangerous areas, and encourages learning and innovation among students. Coming to the problem and challenges, while working on this project, we faced some challenges. Some of them are Bluetooth signal issues, sensor error, gesture adjustment were some challenges. In the future, this project can be improved further. We can add obstacle detection, camera control, advanced gesture recognition, and artificial intelligence. Coming to the conclusion, now I'd like to conclude our project. We successfully designed a gesture control robot car using Arduino. This project helped us learning about robotics, sensors, and communication. Thank you for watching and listening. Thank you.
Welcome everyone. We, Shivangi, Shruti, Smruti, Shreya, and Smaranika, are presenting our project titled Gesture Controlled Car using Arduino. This project is based on wireless control and embedded systems, where a mobile phone is used to control the movement of a robotic car. Let us walk you through our prepared project. The working of this project is simple and efficient. The car receives movement commands from a mobile phone application. These commands are processed by the controller, and based on the received instruction, the car moves in the required direction, such as forward, backward, left, or right. Now, let us look at the components used in this model. The Arduino Uno acts as the main controller. The motor driver module controls the DC motors connected to the wheels. A lithium ion battery pack supplies power, and a buck converter is used as a voltage regulator to maintain stable voltage. All components are mounted on a structure with power switches for safety. This setup allows smooth and reliable movement of the car.